Hey there, are you looking for a investment platform that offers you commission-free and fee-free investing here in the UK? Possibly a platform that is a direct competitor to Trading 212? Then you need to watch this video because in this video, I'm going to be talking about an investment platform that does exactly that. So if you have been watching my content here on YouTube for a while, then you know that I am a big fan of Trading 212 as an investment platform. And I personally hold a significant number of my assets and savings on Trading 212's investment stocks and shares ISA. But it was inevitable where it was going to be a case that there would be a platform or investing app that would come along and compete directly with Trading 212 in the form of free investing. And that's exactly what this app called Lightyear is doing. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive review into Lightyear as an app and whether you should consider investing your money on Lightyear. Hello and welcome to The Nimble Nomad. My name is Arjun and this is the channel where I talk about money and investing. So in case you are new here and you're interested in that sort of content, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Now, if you have been living in the UK and you want to invest your money in 2022, you're a new investor, or you've just generally been looking for an app which provides you commission-free and fee-free trading as an option or investing as an option, then you definitely need to know about Lightyear. Now, there are so many apps currently available here in the UK which offer you all kinds of low-cost options to invest your money in 2022. But honestly, the option to invest with no fees is really limited. So when I came across this app, specifically Lightyear, I really felt like this was a standout app and I had to make a video about this. Now keep in mind, this video is not sponsored by Lightyear in any shape, way and form. I'm making this video off my own accord because I really think this is a wonderful app with genuinely good features on it and people should know about it. So in this video, instead of doing like a deep dive on how you sign up and stuff, I'm going to do a summarized view on what is Lightyear and where is it from, what are the key features that Lightyear offers you, do a little bit of a deep dive and app walkthrough so you can see what it looks and feels like and decide if that's something you want to try. And then finally, I'm going to be talking about, in my opinion, who should be using Lightyear based on the features and functionality that Lightyear offers. Now, as I said, this is not a sponsored video, but I do have a sign up link in the video description if you want to sign up. If you sign up through it, you get $10 if you fund that account once you've signed up through that link. Keep in mind, it is an affiliate link, so I will get a small referral bonus of probably the same amount when you sign up through that link as well. Now let's look at what Lightyear actually is and where did it come from. Okay, so Lightyear is an investment app that is based here in the UK and it is regulated by the FCA. So Lightyear has a third-party intermediary called RiskSafe Technologies, which ensures that it complies with all the regulations and requirements of the FCA. So your money is definitely safe and you are protected under the FSCS scheme to the tune of £85,000 should you choose to invest your money on Lightyear. Now, Lightyear was started by the guys who were part of the founding team of Wise. If you don't know what Wise is this really famous and popular company that is responsible for cross-border payments, that offers you low fees when it comes to cross-border payments. So quite similar in terms of ethos. It was actually started by two guys called Martin Sock, who is basically the head of product, and Mikhail Amer, who is the engineering lead at Wise. It also has the financial backing of one of the founders of Wise in the form of David Henriquez, who is basically the founder of Wise as well. So it definitely has some credible guys running the company. So in my opinion, I definitely think that the company is a safe place to invest your money on it as far as an investment platform is concerned. So now that we know that Lightyear is actually a safe investment platform, what are the key features that Lightyear offers you? So Lightyear offers you a couple of pretty unique selling points in terms of key features. One of the biggest ones, and ones that I have talked about to great extent already, is the fact that there is no fees for either opening an account and holding an account with Lightyear, or transacting on their platform. So you do not pay anything when you buy and sell shares on their platform, and you do not pay anything for just opening an account as well. So it's completely free as far as I could see. The only fee at the moment that they currently charge is FX fees, and that too only kicks in over the amount of £3,000. So up to £3,000, you do not pay any FX conversion fees, and after £3,000, you pay 0.35% for anything that you convert. Now, in my opinion, that is really revolutionary and makes Lightyear stand out from its competition, where everybody else is charging you some sort of fees or a flat fee in some way, shape, and form. Now, the second thing that really sets out Lightyear in comparison to the competition is they actually offer you multi-currency accounts. So basically, you can hold money in 3 currencies currently on Lightyear. So you can hold money in GBP, you can hold money in USD, and finally in euros. So you can convert between GBP, USD, and euro, and that's where the FX fees actually kicks in if it's over £3,000. Now this is really unique because you can't actually do that on any other investment platform, because these are your base currencies, which means you can even hold cash in these currencies on your accounts as well. And then, so the other features which I think Lightyear offers is that they do not currently offer you an ISA, but they only offer you a general invest account. So if you are looking to open an account, you will have to make sure that you pay taxes because they're not protected under the ISA wrapper. And then finally, in terms of actual assets, they don't actually have all of the assets because it's a fairly new platform, but they do have a significant number of US listed stocks and companies. So as far as I could see, I could buy some of the British companies that I wanted to buy, like Unilever and BP, but they were American listed shares as opposed to the UK London Stock Exchange listed companies or shares. Okay, so now that we've talked about Lightyear's key features, let's look at the actual interface of Lightyear, and this is where it gets really interesting. So this to me is one of the things that really sets Lightyear apart from the rest of its competitors, because Lightyear's interface is miles better than anything that I have used so far, at least as far as free trade and trading 212 are concerned. And this is what makes Lightyear really stand out. So in my opinion, Lightyear has a really simplistic UI and interface. It has just 3 menu options. You have a stock explorer option where you can basically search for assets and just look at some of the news associated with the recently searched assets that you've looked at. The second is the actual portfolio that you have, which tells you how your portfolio is performing on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annualized basis. And then finally, the third one is your account details. So you can actually see the activity log of what you've been doing with your account, such as buy, sells, deposits, and even see the amount of cash that you have in the different currencies that you can hold your money on Lightyear. Now, this makes Lightyear really simplistic, but then again, there is a unique selling point in terms of a very unique feature that Lightyear offers you, which is actually data. And the data comes in 2 specific formats. One, Lightyear actually tells you for a specific asset. So let's say there's a particular stock that you're interested in. If you want to look at what the institutional investors are saying about that particular assets in terms of whether it's a buy, sell, or hold, it actually tells you that in terms of what the other analysts' ratings are for that particular asset. It also then tells you what the key metrics are for that particular asset in terms of some of the key financial performance metrics, such as earnings per share, P/E ratios, and market capitalization, which is updated on a regular basis. In my opinion, this actually really sets Lightyear apart from the rest of the pack, because none of the other investment apps actually have this truly reflected on their platform, and which is accurately updated on a regular basis. The other thing that makes Lightyear really unique in comparison to some of its peers is, so if you're one of those people who wants to know why your asset has gone up and down in a particular trading day, Lightyear actually tells you why that particular asset is going up or down, and why the recent performance trend has been downwards or upwards based on news in the market. So if you are interested in Lightyear, then these features will definitely help you if you are a beginner investor. So what do I actually think of Lightyear as a investment app? So in my opinion, if you are a beginner investor, right, you don't have more than £3,000, you want to start investing money, and you aren't really looking to open an ISA, then you should definitely consider investing with Lightyear as an investment app. If you are, however, you already have an ISA elsewhere, then you may want to wait until the new tax year comes around, and when they offer the ISA, and then consider opening your ISA with Lightyear, because again, I think these guys are going to probably be the next Trading 212, if not be Trading 212 going forward. So in my opinion, I'm personally going to be waiting until they open their ISA. I have a general invest account for the time being to test and try, and if I go over my ISA limit, I will definitely be using Lightyear to invest money. So that's it. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.